KMH, welcome guys. So let's have a conversation about studio lights. Are studio lights only for studio? This is the very interesting question I would like to talk about today, because I see that those kind of lights can be used in way more places than just a studio, like small studio or like a large studio. Those lights are what I have over here. Those are actually smaller ones, so those are super compact. But the thing is that they are really usable in different kind of spaces. This is still the light, so people mostly think that if this is called studio, they should be used only in studio, and I think this is the biggest misconception. So why do they call it like a studio lights if those are just regular lights? So the thing is that we have some factors that have to happen to call the kind of lights as studio lights, especially CRI, so color accuracy. So this is how good these lights actually work to reproduce the natural colors like sun is giving to us. So very often if you buying like a cheap lights, you may have like a little issue with the color accuracy, because light is reflecting, like bouncing from all elements, and it can give you like a wrong color feedback. So in this case, CRI is 97, higher is better, so it's nearly perfect. Other thing that is really important is that you have some adjustability. Mostly we have like a power, but also in these lights I have also option to change the color, so we can go from warmer to neutral to very cold. So this what is most important, and that's why mostly I'm recommending those lights to more people, is that they have something called like a diffusion. So this is like a, as you see, milky, silky plastic at the front. It can be also rubber. This is actually the light, and here is like a rubber that should diffuse this light. Imagine like you're reading a book, and mostly people have this like a light behind it, and this is like a dome with the light inside, and this is giving you very harsh and unpleasant light. So the thing is that we have a more and more, what I see on Amazon and other like stores, that they are selling like light either for like an office, like a desk, or it's something that you can put behind you, and they have actually the same diffuser like we have in this studio lamps. So why I'm actually mentioning this? Because very often I see that people have problem with eyes, and sometimes this light is super strong. Like I have two lights right now and I don't feel any form of discomfort, but if I have a one light here with the dome and like a bulb inside, it will blow my eyes. I am very like a light sensitive, and I have always problem with it. So in this case I have zero absolutely problem. So those kind of studio lights can be used in more spaces than just like a studio on the place when you are recording the video, because this dissolve light so good you can use it in many different scenarios. For example, I recommend it to my mechanic, my friend mechanic. He has like a standing light, and he didn't like it because it was so strong for him. He always has the problem working with the cars. He bought like a super wide light, powered on like a battery, but also he can plug it to the power bank, the same like I can. He was skeptic, but after he purchased it, it's like I think 2 years already, and he's super happy about that. You can use it in many cases. For example, we are doing nails, I don't know, you are a dentist, you are reading a book, maybe you are doing something in the kitchen and you want to see something on the table, or maybe you are welding or doing like a manual job. It's really efficient, it's really powerful, it's delivers super nice. I will even call it like a premium light, because it's so soft and so nice that really I have no problems with my eyes. I will give you advice, take a look on the studio lights, because they help you a lot. So I always have problem with my eyes. I have like a bleedy, like a red eyes because of the light. So that's why I'm having plenty of different kind of glasses, and actually I'm selling glasses too. And those kind of lights, they are the most useful, I think, lights I ever like own. If you want to upgrade a little bit your lighting environment, definitely I recommend to check the studio lights. That is it, KMH. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya, guys.